Bad.
Ano hubad?
Bad.
Tangin.
Tara, ano tayo? Parampa muna tayo.
Day na change role na ano? Na pang death tank. Yung ano?
Gago, bomba sila, Perd.
Mental attack
Daming
first.
spider.
Go. Guys, tak one hand miss ako for now.
Sige. Sabi mo ko
Yo, what the heck is that?
Pabayaan niyo muna. Ano?
Bin mo ko mag-fake.
Wait lang, no. Wait.
Magpa-stock na si Fish, oh.
Okay. Looking ng taga tayo. Uy, sino nakamount pa? Dayna, wait lang daw. Wait.
Yun lang.
Wala. Hindi na pwede masasabi. What?
Wait lang. Go east muna kayo. Go east.
Bakit? Ano nangyari?
Di pa naka-change ng ng skill. Yung gamit niya kanina sa sa faction, 'di ba? Naka-air compre. Wala. Go east din na. Go east muna.
Ayaw mag-start ng catch
choke?
yung hindi naka
Oo nga wait lang.
yung parang realistic.
Okay,
Hindi
go
yun
baba kayo. Baba na lang kayo.
Sige.
Para realistic yung
Okay. Okay.
I personally won't allow that.
Kasi nag-stuck na yung kalaban
Yeah.
bago pa sabihin yung
Okay, walk up. Walk up a bit. Okay, look at around. Engaging in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, spread east. Spread west.
Looking na.
Spread west. West, heal up Judy. Papasa Suj dito sa Judy. Okay. Fake. I'm gonna fake then look at the sword for player ready. He's gonna engage.
Ito yung
Okay. Okay.
Nasa west mo yung
Look at the crown.
Yung Erin.
I'm faking.
Ready. 3, 2, 1, on me.
Sa sword. Drop. Nice. Go west, guys. Okay, don't chase. Go west. Heal up. Go west.
Hindi mo namatay yung
May namatay yata isa. Look at the crown,
Wala namatay.
Wala namatay.
What's the cooldown? DPS cooldown?
4.
Okay.
Okay na ako.
Ready. Look at the crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the crown. Drop. Go west again. Go west again. Defensive kayo. West, then brawl them. Chase.
Stop chasing.
They already drop. Sige. Chase. Go down here. Down.
Ready na ako.
Go down. Ready. Look at the run. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack round. Drop your E.
Kulang damage.
Go. He's spread here. West. Spread west a bit. Spread and brawl here. Then chase. They drop already. Chase. Now we chase. Look at the crown. Heal up. Okay, man. Look at the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack round. Go west. Attach na tayo. Kite. DPS check nga tayo. Go. Tao. Ilan yung bawas natin? Ilan ba yung bawas natin? Isa lang ba?
Di na.
Atas.
Oo, dalawang
May zombie ba?
Di na.
Dalawa kaming DPS na tanggal.
Okay, R. Dalawang DPS.
Hindi na one hit yung perma kanina.
Guys, after ng engage, prio scatter muna before wag habol agad. Kasi nagka-clamp up after ng engage.
Tinulabat ko na ka escape.
Baba na lang ulit kayo dito. Ay, nasa kayo guys. Go east. Nasa east ako. I'm here. Go east.
Wala ka ibang cape.
Wait, I'm busy Alexa. Dina, dito lang din muna. Masyado ka malayo para mag-defend.
Impossible card. Kidnap Falcon.
Impossible.
Change cape na si Tinola. Nag-change na.
Okay. Okay.
Baka na.
Walk up.
Hanap namin.
Walk up. Swords, stack up. Ay, wait lang daw. Go east again.
Wait.
Stop. Bababa na ng ult kayo ng choke. If ever kasi, if ever na mag-push sila, di na masyadong malalim. If ever na mag-push sila, dito tayo sa
May
choke.
yun yan din na. Atras ka.
Atras ka muna. Wala muna. Go east. Baba kayo dito. Baba kayong choke. Baba kayong choke. Nangungulit kasi si Leoric din eh, oh. Pasok lang daw saglit sa work.
Si
Wala, walang-
Helpang nandito. What the
Si
heck?
Biscuit naman yung kinukulit niya.
Wala lang skill.
Huwag kayong gumamit ng skills nyo. Don't use skills so we can start again.
Yeah, I'll be up in 10
Yeah,
seconds.
okay. G na daw, G.
Naka-poison si Tensei.
Walk up. Nakapoise si Ten. Why?
Uy,
Defensive?
ayos mo
No,
ka,
defensive.
ayos mo ka. Huwag kayong mag-troll.
Keep on pushing. Swords, look at me. And engaging. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage. Attack round. Go east. Kite. Fail. Go east. Spread. Push down. Push them. West. Judy. There's a Judy. Keep on pushing. Push. Look at the crown. Engaging ako in 5, 4, 3. Wait.
Darius.
Engaging 3,
Laliman mo.
one. Attack round. Okay, game ready for the engage. Spread. Then push. They already use skills. Push. Keep on pushing. Oh, stay. They're going back. Stay. Yeah. Look at the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2. Stop hitting. Let's go. Ganun lang.
Konting lalim pa, Catch. Konting lalim pa.
Sige. Hindi ko alam kasi kung aabot yung DPS natin eh. Pero sige.
Nandun ako. RB mo ko eh. RB.
Okay.
Abot yan, abot.
Sige. Ang pattern, what we're gonna do is we're gonna engage, if we then spread, and after they engage, just full brawl after they engage. As long as they don't have engage, big balls. Go east. So they don't pre-stacks, go east. Ayan.
Gina.
G. Walk up. Look at the crown. Player, what's your cooldown? I'm gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage at the crown. Spread again. Spread east. Judy heal, Tensei. East Judy. Down push.
Ito healer.
Push them. Push. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. Look at the crown. I have engaged in 2.
Giga.
I have engaged in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the crown. Sige, drop nyo ng damage ko dito. Drop your damage.
Naka-silent.
Defensives. Go back a bit. Go south a bit. We didn't do damage. Recover Dana. Dana hilap. I've engaged in 7 seconds.
Papi, malalim
Wait
ka.
for 7. Brawl. Wait in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the crown. Drop your damage. Drop all your damage. Now, keep on pushing. I'll drop Judy at the choke. Keep on pushing. Stop hitting. Let's go back. Nice movement.
Sila.
As much as possible sa healer Healer ka mag-look.
Yep. Hindi ko alam kung na-mark ko si Pew. Mark ko ba si Pew? Parang nawala ata.
Yung Clyde Darius.
Okay.
Clyde Darius healer din.
Go down the stairs again. Yung on DPS. Yung nasa harapan lang swords and death tank. Yung iba, likod na lang muna. Kasi sila yung first contact for the stacks. Yan. Player, masyado ko pa rin. Dito lang kayo. Pantay lang kayo. Don't go past the collar lang muna. For now. While waiting lang. Yan lang. One stack. One name only.
Permafrost sila.
Boots mo, Chupapi, passive.
Tatargeting ko na ba si Leoric? Ano? Bakit si Old Fish yung may ano? May...
G daw, G. Cut.
Game. Step up. Game. Look at the crown. Look at the crown. Engaging on 5, 4, 3, 2. Wait. 3, 2, 1. At the crown. Okay, nag-fail. Spread a bit. Heal on Judy. Sige, bro nyo dito. Tensei, stay here. Heal up. Nice. Kaya nyo i-heal yan. Go, push. Now push. Push them. Push west.
Darius, so yung Darius.
Push west.
Darius
Push west. I have engaged in 2. Engaging in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito
Nasa nerd si Katya.
Yeah. Go south. Sige. Go south tayo. Spread kayo.
Spread. Maglulok na yan.
Spread.
Spread.
Use your pass. Judy, yan. Heal on Judy. Nice Judy. Heal on Judy. Heal Chupapi. Kaya mo yan, Chupapi. Heal on Chupapi. I have engaged in 5. Go east. Look at the crown. Engaging 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gagi, natulak ako, Perd. Drop your edict to kay Old Fish. Wait for Old Fish to go up, then papatay niyo si Fish.
Spread muna. Spread.
May permafrost
Giga.
ah.
You can
Push
use
kaya,
Giga.
push. Arda. Stop. Sa feeding. Hindi ko talaga mapilit yung one hand miss pag ano.
Wala ka pang ano, Chupapi? Iron Will.
We don't have mana. Wait for the mana.
Nagunan min sa cut. Need mo ng night helmet or guard rune.
Oo nga. Ay, nasaan kayo? Dati sa nasa east. Hello? Go east tayo. Go east. Ay,
Mabilis
dito ba sila?
ma-counter yung 100.
Go east kayo. Go east. Wait a minute.
Pabart daw si Clyde.
Ano, no?
G daw, Katch.
Ang healer.
Okay. Walk in. I'ma try...
Spread.
I'ma try counter You absorb the first. Hintayin natin sila. So matry yung counter eh. Bro lang. Okay, game. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack round. Spread. Heal on Judy yung low. May Judy sa south. Go.
Support yung stack namin.
Yeah. Go east. Push.
Exact.
Wait. Ready for the engage, Ready for the engage. Defensive kayo. Defensive. There's a Judy. Okay. Looking ako in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack round. At the choke. Drop her in the choke. Nice. It's a choke. Nice. Drop. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. Ready
Sige, hindi pa
engage.
nag-guard,
Ready
hindi pa
defensive.
nag-guard.
Ready to your defensives. I have engaged in 6, in 5.
Sa south CPU ko. Sa south.
Ready engage in 5, 4, 3, 2. Arna daw yata. Arna ba? Arna, stop.
Yan na? Nag-guard na ba?
Yan,
Ay,
nag-guard.
Arna.
Arna.
Hindi ko nakita nung...
Nakaharang yung heart natin, Perd.
Nice heal.
Nakaharang yung
Yeah.
bungo. Nakaharang yung bungo.
Biscott. Call them Bobo.
No. Don't provoke. Ay, go down the stairs. Go down the stairs. Wala, balik na ako.
Especially Leoric, it's fine. You can trash talk him anytime.
It's Leoric daw.
Naka 8-4 pala si Biscott. Panlala.
Got the heli.
Down lang kayo sa stairs. Diyan lang kayo sa stairs. Walk up, walk up.
G daw.
Walk up, walk up. Defensive, defensive, defensive. Heal on Judy, Tensei. Dito, heal. Look at the ground, 5, 4,
Okay na.
3, 2. The faking muna. Okay, game yan. Look at the ground, 3, 2, 1.
Count ko.
Drop sa ground.
Ako yung na-pick.
Lagi.
Oh, my bad.
Lagi yun na.
Push. My bad. Push. Northwest. Ready engage siya, ready defensive. Game, push. Faking now.
I'm ready.
Wait. Wala, nagagamit yung pull ko. Engage on all fish.
Kunin ko.
3, 2, 1. Fish.
Kunin ko.
Engage kay fish. Engage
Ayun,
on the
ayun,
ground. On the ground. Sige, on the ground. Patay nyo.
Giga. Kung mag-walk-in, mag-giga kayo. Walk-in, giga.
What's self ang doing?
Okay. Defensive. Nice. Root bound.
May nasa
Look at the
south
ground,
na.
look at the ground. Faking now. Fake. Look at the ground in 5.
I'm
4,
ready.
3, 2, 1, and stop hitting. Stop.
Na-fake ako?
My bad. Yung color, no? 3, 2, 1, fake.
Wait lang, sabi.
Umabot ng 1 yung fake eh. Wait lang, my bad.
Ganun ka magpagaling mag-fake boy. Repick yung ramp eh.
Ano?
Dito
Kita
tayo.
sa gana, fake.
Sobrang galing mo mag-ramp nadamay.
Na-drop ko yung eco, bro eh.
Need mo i-fake yung kakampi mo para maging effective sa kalaban.
Para saan? Ang pinagpaparaparan mo?
Pag fight sa lethal zone, ito kasi non-lethal to eh.
Ah. Little zone.
Again,
Sino daw?
GG daw. Ang walk in. Okay, faking now. Gagi, hindi effective yung fake. Okay, now, never mind, effective.
Ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Atakan. Sige. Judy, heal. Atakan. Drop your E.
Oh
Now
my
keep on pushing.
Low si Dana.
Dana kahit lang. Yung iba push. Go push.
Hit sa Judy, heal sa Judy.
Push.
Sige, pwede.
No. Defensive. Okay, game. Look at the ground, ha. Look at the ground. Faking. Look at the ground. 5,
2 seconds ready.
4, 3, 2,
Dep.
backline na.
1.
Dep.
At the ground.
Si
Hit the ground. Ay. Okay, game. Go back a bit. Kahit a bit. Magpa-healthy tayo. Healthy. Stay here. Stay. Kahit tayo. Go back a bit. Look at the ground. Now, look at the ground. We're gonna push now.
Punish niyo, no?
We're gonna push now. Look at the ground in 5, 4, 3. Wait, fake. Okay, 3, 2, 1. At the ground. Drop in the ground.
Boom.
Now push. You did that show. Oh, never mind.
Ayun na daw.
Stop hitting. Pag may mana sa gitna, Q's and W's nyo lang. Okay lang yung puruan nyo. Wag lang kayo mag-drop ng E.
Good na night arbor na ako. Na-interrupt ako.
Trash talk them. You can trash talk them.
No.
Ang naniliwari ko, hindi mo pinapamount up, gago. Bali!
Okay nga lang.
Kulang sila.
Naglalag ata sila eh.
Nagpalit si Tinola siya kasi no? Sige.
DC yung isa nilang, DC yun yung heal pang. Tapos ano?
Go. Down the stairs. Bring your spiders down the stairs.
Bring your spiders.
Down the stairs. Nakaharang Ferg.
Park your spiders.
Park downstairs. Nice, yan. Ang daming spiders sa labas. So. Hindi ko alam kung maintain ba nila si si Hellfang. Wait.
ano,
Si Tinol,
sa signal nila.
Ay, Tinol, come
I
back
think
here.
Hellfang is lagging, I guess.
Yeah. he's
Yeah,
there.
he is.
Yun yan?
Gina ba?
Hindi, pag wala pa. No, not yet, not yet.
Pupunta kaya ako dun sa tier 6 na ano. Kasi hindi naman maaano ba na? Minsan pupunta ako sa tier 6 na lugar, hindi ko pa naman maaano na.
Yun na ba?
Hindi, no, not yet. Go down kasi kayo. Go down.
Oh, yan na,
Ako,
gago.
Gina ata eh.
Hindi pa.
Ano, di na yan.
Hindi na ba to? Oh, game, walk in. Nag-steal na din naman si Kiwa. Walk.
Gina daw.
Faking now? Okay. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Attack round.
Bug, tong, ina mo.
Di pa patay.
Spread and brawl. There's Judy. I dropped Judy here.
Mewtwo.
Heal and
Roll
Judy.
Mewtwo.
Look at the crown. Faking.
Dire-
And then,
You can
Okay.
look north. Healer north.
Engaging
Healer
3,
north.
2, 1. Look at the crown.
Gagi.
GM.
Sorry.
Wala pa akong cooldown na.
Ready dep. Mag-engage yan.
Defensive ah. Defensive. Okay, walk in.
Pwede na, wala na silang perma.
Yeah, wait.
I'm ready.
Wait.
I'm ready.
Snare. Faking.
Ready?
Okay, ready. 3, 2, 1. Attack round. Oh, ang dami oh.
What the fuck? Face kill.
Hit the
Face kill.
crown.
Ready defensive.
Judy, I drop Judy. Nice. Push. Now push. Push. Engaging ako in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack round.
Shit, na-answer kami. Nahol kami.
Push.
Nice.
Hilin Judy.
Hilin Judy.
Gigawokin yan.
Walk in.
Ay, putang na may bad.
Nagdagdag ka. Defensive. Look at the crown in 5,
Look
Four.
on autistic.
3, 2, 1. At the crown. Stop.
It's tempting, bro.
Nasa base natin.
Tayo naman yan. Kaya naman si Leoric, kabulin kita pa. Dito si Leoric. Ano na mo?
Ala. Seryo, tina-target.
Oh. Bye.
Hindi pala ako naka-ano.
Ano ba yun?
Si Leoric Purge.
Ginagak ko.
Ginagak. Bog.
Huwag niyo patayin.
Halika na, Dana. Dana, hindi naman kasama sa comp yan. Ano, mahirap yan patamain ng maayos.
Need natin ng depth tank.
Hindi, naka-depth tank si Tinola.
Nag-change.
Nag-swap sila.
Dalawa depth tank need.
Kailangan natin dalawang depth tank? No, isa lang.
Wait,
Oh.
dito daw ba sila?
Kasi minsan na-fake din ako. Nakakapag ako.
Okay lang yun. Dina, come back here. Oy, labas, baba kayo dito, baba. Baba. Wait.
Next one kayo.
Wala nang oras.
Okay, sige, GG.
Go, Gina.
GG.
Oo nga. Game, push. Counter tayo, counter. Ready your defensive. Defensive. Oh, look at me yan. In 5, 4, 3. Faking.
Tangina mo.
Ready in 3, 2.
Oh, siya nagbilang na lang siya.
Oo. Look at the ground. Roll them out.
Ito. Perma. Look sa perma sa west.
Go west. Ready, engaging. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage. Guys, barang yan.
Sa